Questions, students, let's discuss this. Okay, so which of the following is not a fertilizer? Fertilizer is a chemical that is helpful for growing plants, understand? So which of the following is not a fertilizer? Urea, potash, superphosphate, vermicompost. This urea is also fertilizer, potash is also fertilizer, superphosphate is also fertilizer. These are chemicals, understand? In the case of vermi means worms. Understand? Vermi means worms. Worms compost. Worms compost means fertilizer. What we had said, it is a chemical. So vermicompost, it won't come. So the answer is vermicompost. Understand? Dash discovered fermentation. Who discovered? Means fermentation कौन discover किया? Edward Jenner. Already I said that scientists, what they discovered, in which year they had discovered, you have to keep it in mind. Understand? You have to be thorough. Understand, students? So Edward Jenner, he discovered medicine for smallpox. Vaccination he had discovered for smallpox. Alexander Fleming, he discovered the first antibiotic, that is penicillin. And Louis Pasteur, he discovered the process fermentation as well as pasteurization. It is done in milk. Understand, students? And last is Robert Hooke. Sorry, here Robert Hooke is there, and Robert Hooke, he discovered about the cell, how the cell is that, how it looks like. Understand, students? And next question number 15. Yeast is an example of. What is yeast example of? Understand? Is an example of fungi, bacteria, algae or protozoa. All the time you keep it in mind. Yeast is an example of fungi. Understand, students? Yeast is an example of fungi, not bacteria, not algae, not protozoa. Here also 2-3 examples of fungi, bacteria, protozoa and algae. Read karke rakhna. It is very easy. Fungi examples, mushroom, yeast will be there, and bacteria examples, streptococcus, lactobacillus, bacillus anthrax. This all come in this one, bacteria. Algae में blue green algae, spirogyra, this will come in algae. Protozoa, amoeba, plasmodium, which causes malaria. Understand, students? Let's move on to the next question. Female Anopheles mosquito causes. What is a female Anopheles mosquito causes? Dengue, malaria, chikungunya, none of the above. All the three diseases are caused by mosquitoes. Understand, students? But this female Anopheles mosquito causes which disease? Dengue. Dengue is caused by Aedes. Aedes mosquito. It causes dengue. Aedes mosquito that causes dengue. Understand, students? And malaria. Malaria is caused by female. Whenever the word female Anopheles it comes, you can say that it causes malaria. Understand, students? Next is the anthrax is caused by. Anthrax is caused by bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. So first we have to know about the causative agent. Causative agent means which organism is causing anthrax. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthrax, and Bacillus is a type of bacteria. So the option is bacteria. Understand, students? And next is dash is a process of. 18th question, dash is a process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. Sugar into alcohol convert करने का process को क्या बोलते हैं? Vaccination. No, vaccination is a process where the microorganism is weakened, killed and then sent into the body. So there is no vaccination is not the pasteurization. It is heating and cooling of milk. Understand that process, you should know. Heating of milk up to the 70 degrees Celsius and suddenly chilled. Cooled नहीं, chilled. Chilled is different, cooled is different. Chilling means एकदम zero से कम temperature में जाता है. Understand, students? Chilled. That process is called pasteurization. It is done only in milk. A fermentation where alcohol is produced, and sanitation. Now it is going on due to the COVID. We are doing sanitation, cleaning our hands and keeping ourselves clean. So that is sanitation. So fermentation. Fermentation is the process of converting sugar into alcohol. Understand, students? Let's move on to the next question. Okay. The disease causing microorganisms are called as. Means what you will call the disease causing microorganisms. Understand? So pathogens, पैथोजेंस मीन्स जर्म्स को पैथोजेंस बोलते हैं। एंटीबॉडीज मीन्स व्हेन germs enter into our body, हमारा body will react to the germs. Understand? That we are calling it as antibodies. Understand? Vaccine already I said that medicine that weakened killed microorganisms are called as vaccine. Understand? Antibiotic means that we are obtaining from fungi and bacteria that stops or kill the growth of germs in our body. Understand, students? So what is the answer? The disease causing microorganism are called as pathogens. Disease causing microorganisms are called as pathogens. Understand, students? Several diseases like cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, hepatitis can be prevented by. How we can prevent this type of diseases? This type of diseases can be prevented by antibiotics, vaccination, tablet, none of the above. So, sir, antibiotics is the tablet form. No one is eating tablet for this hepatitis and tuberculosis. Understand? Because we are using vaccination. Vaccination is the answer. This is also tablet, none of the above. Means we are stopped. If you see the small children's medicine vaccination list, there you can see the list of vaccines for cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox and hepatitis. Hope students you understand today's revision. In next class we will see about few more questions and discussions. Till that, stay safe, stay home, and Jai Swaminarayan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.